YouTube, so I'm going to show you how you quickly remove the spark plug tube gaskets from your Honda Pilot valve covers. So these are a pain, especially if you're trying to pick at them. You're going to grab yourself a screwdriver, hammer, and you're going to wedge this screwdriver right between where the seal and where this metal lip is. You're going to give it 1 to 2 small hits. And all you do is just pry up. Nope. Just pry up. And it's done. No more picks, no more problems. And as long as you don't have a big fat screwdriver, you're not going to scratch up this aluminum.